welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox iPhone SE, but first we'll sanitize our box. Now we'll take our Pidilite knife to unbox our iPhone SE. Might as well sanitize my iPhone. Here I have got the 64GB version, and now let's unbox it. But first let me clean my hands because I've got sanitizer over them. And if anybody wants to buy an iPhone, now is the right time, because Flipkart is giving amazing deals on iPhone, and you can probably get your hands on one for 25,999. Now let's see what's inside the box. On the top of it is written designed by Apple in California. And let's see inside. Here we have a product red sticker and welcome guide and some ejector tool and something written in foreign language. Now let's talk about the accessories inside the box. First we have AirPods. The cool thing about them is that they get a lightning C connector, so you don't have to worry about buying a separate dongle for them. And if you want to connect other pair of earphones, you can buy a separate dongle. That will cost you about 900. The cable included has a Type A to Lightning connector and the cute little charger itself. It is a 5-watt charger. Although the phone is capable of charging at 18 watts, still Apple includes a 5-watt charger. That's Apple for you. Also, while we are at it, let me talk more about product red from Apple. See, whenever you buy a product of red color from Apple, a part of your purchase goes towards the global funds to support HIV/AIDS. And during the pandemic itself, the funds have been shifted to the COVID relief funds. And if you think about it, it's a really great thing from Apple. There you go, my first iPhone. Let me tell you, it feels really premium in the hand. Even though the design is from an older iPhone 8, Apple still managed to make it premium in 2020. Hats off to Apple.